told of the reacher. Well, he's the teacher's pet now.